Hey Jessica, have you ever wondered how the ancient Egyptians managed to preserve bodies for thousands of years?
You mean mummification, right?
Yeah, it's one of the most fascinating traditions from ancient Egypt. Exactly. For the Egyptians, death wasn't the end. They believed it was the start of an eternal journey. But to make that journey possible, they thought the body had to be preserved. That's why they developed mummification. At first, bodies were naturally preserved by the hot desert sand. But around 2600 BC, during the Old Kingdom, they started using more advanced techniques. And it wasn't just for pharaohs. Even animals like cats, falcons and crocodiles were mummified because they were considered sacred. True. Do you know how the process actually worked?
Yeah, it usually took about 70 days.
First, the priests removed the internal organs. The brain was taken out through the nose, and the stomach, lungs, liver and intestines were stored in special jars called canopic jars. Then they dried the body using natron, a type of natural salt. This step alone took about 40 days to remove all the moisture. After that, they cleaned the body with oils and resins, then wrapped it in layers of linen. They even placed amulets between the wrappings for protection. And finally, the mummy was placed in a coffin or sarcophagus. Priests performed the opening of the mouth ceremony to restore the senses of the deceased in the afterlife. So mummification wasn't just about preserving the body. It was a whole spiritual journey, a reflection of their belief in eternal life. And today, these mummies are like time capsules, helping us understand ancient Egyptian religion, science, and culture.